What's up everyone, Bitcoin broke out and we have a very tight time frame. Therefore, I'm going to give you a very simple strategy to play this. Because the last thing we want is to get sidelined and left behind. Of course, subscribe to the channel, follow us on the socials. So what happened? Well, Bitcoin yesterday decided that it breaks out from this 43,000 zone between 43 and 42. And we are very happy to see that because right now we have high chances to revisit the highs. And I'm not talking about the 45, 46,000 highs. I'm talking about the 50,000 and the 69,000 highs. And I'm gonna show you a simple strategy to play this. I'm not talking about leverage trading, but if you are looking to buy in somewhere, then I'm gonna show you some optimal positions where you have high chances to have some gains. But disclaimer, you will also need to sell sometime, okay? First of all, what is happening? Bitcoin is at 44,000 something. We are revisiting the 45,000. As you can see on this Fibonacci retracement, and this Fibonacci retracement works very well for crypto, okay? And usually we see what is the correction. That is why it's called retracement. And in most cases, when we have a downtrend like here, and we have a correction like this, we are expecting the price to turn here or to continue the downtrend and to go lower. However, this did not happen, and it wasn't sure that it will not happen until yesterday, to be honest. So we have a breakout. What are we going to do with this breakout, and what are the price targets? That is the question. Also, if you are holding altcoins or if you want to buy into the altcoins, it is very important for you as well. At this moment, these two green candles are very bullish and very important because it seems that the accumulation from BlackRock, from Fidelity, from everybody, from the retail is being revealed on the chart and in the price action. Therefore, the next resistance for Bitcoin is actually the 49,000. And that's why I have a big red line there, because it's also around the 50,000. I mean, it's not far away, and $50,000 is a very strong psychological resistance. So Bitcoin needs to break it. However, is it going to go just like that in one candle or in two candles? It could happen, by the way, because we are in crypto. Lots of buying pressures already tighten into a small place. However, usually Bitcoin likes to confirm before it moves forward. Therefore, if Bitcoin just goes through, and it already went through, we need to see a candle which sits on this line. This will be the first buy zone. This will be the first moment when I will know that, okay, it is going to go up and we have an uptrend. We already have higher high, higher low, higher high. It is confirmed the higher high. So if it stays above this, or let's say in an optimal situation above this level, that is a great buy zone. From here, it will probably go to the 49,000. That is my expectations because it doesn't have any more resistance in between. Now the fun part starts when it reaches this level, because after it reaches it, and maybe it will be next week, who knows, we don't know it yet, but I have a feeling that this might happen pretty fast. If it reaches this level and pokes its head out and comes back, that is still a good thing. That is still something which proves that we have a lot of buying pressure. We have some sells, obviously, but the momentum is there. It just needs some reset. We will see it on the RSI, because at that moment, the RSI will be somewhere here upstairs, and we need it to come back and calm down. If that happens between the $50,000 and the previous all-time high, which is the 69, we don't really have any major resistances. We have some small ones like here because we have some volumes. We have a smaller one here because we also have here some volume at 52 and 59,000. However, I think we agree on that if we reach the 59,000, we will be happy anyways. So yeah, that is the target. Let's set that as a target for the next 1 month. Everything on top is a gift. But what is going to happen with the altcoins, and when should we expect altcoins to start to move? And many will think that I am delusional, but I think it is going to happen very soon, because as we see right now, the Bitcoin's dominance going up and breaking this red line, which is a resistance, and we wanted to see that. It is very important that we see it, and I'm happy to announce that it has happened. I think it will go a bit higher, but at one point, maybe at 54%, it will start to go down without the price crashing, and that will be our cue, okay? At the same time, also we can expect Ethereum to climb up, and we have seen a pump already yesterday in the evening because it went back to above $2,400. Therefore, for me, a big sign or a big signal of an altcoin summer or altcoin spring, let's say, because we are approaching spring, will be Ethereum's move to the $2,500 to the $2,500 and a confirmation. If this confirmation happens and starts to move slowly up, then I know that people will take out some money from Bitcoin, they will take out some money from Ethereum, and they will start to pump the smaller altcoins and the smaller altcoin ecosystem. That's why we see that after an Ethereum pump, Solana meme coins go up, after which AVAX meme coins go up, after which AVAX ecosystem smaller coins go up. That is the sequence which I talked about, and you can rewatch it, by the way, here between the videos. Now, what will be the culmination point of all this story? What will be the turnaround? Why I said that you will need to sell at some point? Well, it's very simple. We have a halving coming up, okay? That is very important, that in April we have the halving. After the halving, based on historical data, Bitcoin retracts, okay? It has a correction, it goes down, it crashes or dumps, whatever you want to use. At the same time, 1 month later, we have the FOMC data coming out about the interest rates, okay? That is when the Fed will explain to us whether they are going to cut back the interest rates or not. If that happens, historically, the stock market corrects itself. Therefore, even on the stock market and the tech market will be a crash. Let me know in the comments, what is your play? What is your strategy? I'm coming back with another strategy maybe a bit later. Let's see how the market moves. Let's see how the Bitcoin price behaves in the next couple of days. If you like this content, press the like button, obviously subscribe, follow us on the socials, and I see you in the next one. Take care.